Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you how we can align digital marketing and AI to achieve business goal in today's AI world. Please watch it to the end to learn about digital marketing with AI strategy. Aligning digital marketing and AI with business goals involves clearly defining your company objectives, identifying where AI can be leveraged to achieve those goals, and then implementing digital marketing strategies that utilize AI strategies to directly impact key business metrics like customer acquisition, retention, and revenue growth, while constantly monitoring and adjusting based on performance data. Define clear business goals. Start by identifying your primary business objectives, whether it's increasing market share, boosting sales, enhancing customer satisfaction, or improving brand awareness. Identify relevant AI applications. Analyze your business needs and targeted areas where AI can add value, like personalized marketing campaigns, predictive analytics for customer behavior, automated content creation, or optimizing ad targeting. Choose the right AI tools. Select AI-powered platforms and technologies that align with your specific marketing goals and business objectives. Data collection and analysis. Ensure you have a robust data infrastructure to gather customer information, which is crucial for training AI models and making data-driven decisions. Personalization at scale. Utilize AI to create personalized customer experiences through customized content, product recommendations, and targeted marketing campaigns based on individual customer data. Predictive analytics. Leverage AI to forecast future trends and customer behavior, allowing proactive adjustments to marketing strategies effectively. Optimize marketing campaigns. Use AI to automate and optimize your digital marketing campaigns across channels like pay-per-click social media and email marketing by analyzing performance data and adjusting targeting and bidding strategies. For example, AI can be used to enhance your pay-per-click campaigns by optimizing keyword research bidding and targeting predictive analysis fraud detection by using the right tools, ad creation, and ad scheduling and placement. AI-powered chatbots and customer service to provide 24/7 customer support, answer inquiries, and guide potential customers through the conversion or buying process. Content creation and messaging. Utilize AI tools to generate ideas for content. Personalize content based on audience segments and present relevant content for different platforms for effective messaging based on the user's needs, personalization, optimization, and follow SEO best practices. AI can be used to create images and personalized videos by using the right generative AI tools to promote brand awareness, products, services, and solutions based on the targeted audience and industries. We need to be mindful of ethical considerations also. Artificial intelligence can help with search engine optimization in many ways, including keyword research. AI can analyze large amounts of data to find keywords and suggest related ones. It can also help determine the competitiveness of a search term. Content optimization. AI can analyze existing content and suggest improvements, such as adding keywords, adjusting headlines, or optimizing meta tags. Link building. AI can help find relevant websites to acquire links from. Websites with many high-quality links tend to rank higher in search results. Visual search AI can be used to identify and classify images and match them with relevant search results. Keywords and content evaluation. AI can analyze keywords or content to identify gaps and opportunities by comparing with competitors and related industries. Monitor and measure performance. Continuously track key performance indicators, or KPIs, to evaluate the effectiveness of your AI-driven marketing initiatives and make necessary adjustments. AI can also automate data analysis and identify user behavior. However, we should be cautious about relying on AI for SEO without oversight because it can make mistakes. Tips and important considerations. Data quality. Ensure the quality of data used to train AI models is high to achieve accurate insights and predictions. Ethical considerations. Be mindful of potential biases in AI algorithms and ensure responsible use of customer data. Training and adoption. Train your marketing team on how to effectively utilize the right AI tools and integrate them into their workflow. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial is useful for you, please subscribe and share.